If you want to make money from active trading, you may have to quit your job since the stock market operates only on weekdays, overlapping with most work schedules. But what if your trading income is still small and your family depends on your income? Today, many online sources claim that the OTC market is extremely risky, that it is stimulated trading where brokers manipulate prices. Today, I'll trade live on this market. Watch this video to the end and see how it really works. Let's get right in. Alright, time to set up our trading system. We need SuperTrend and Vortex indicators. For the first one, we are adjusting parameters immediately, crucially increasing the ATR period to 12 to enhance signal accuracy. For Vortex, we are changing inputs to 16. Make sure to replicate this on your end. Our strategy is not ready. Let's break it down. It's incredibly simple, guys. Here are the entry conditions. SuperTrend displays buy/sell markers, indicating market transition between bullish and bearish phases. We simply follow these signals to track price direction. Green SuperTrend equals to long, red SuperTrend equals to short position. Vortex serves as our confirmation indicator. Its two lines converge and diverge. Their relative positioning is what matters. Green line on top equals to upward momentum. Red line dominating equals to downward trend. You can see this clearly on the charts. A perfect entry signal occurs when SuperTrend and Vortex align. When both indicators agree, we open trade. That's the entire strategy, folks. Now we're ready to trade. I'll change the assets and immediately open the first deal. First trade opportunity forming. I'm expecting downside movement based on three factors. The red Vortex line is positioned above the green. The price has been consolidating in a tight trading range and now has broken downward through support levels. This type of breakout typically signals sustained downward momentum, which we are already seeing develop. With SuperTrend red, we can confidently expect further downside. So today, I plan on making a substantial profit on OTC trading. The first advantage is its high profitability. Since trading occurs outside of exchanges, the fees are lower because this approach is cheaper for brokers. They offer a higher percentage of profits, often exceeding 90%. I'm not saying trade only OTC. Traditional Forex pairs have their pros, but for maximum profit potential, OTC trading is hard to beat. Alright guys, first trade closed. Now, scanning the next chart for opportunities. I've doubled my risk and I am now entering long. Here's the analysis of the situation. Green Vortex line is dominant. SuperTrend triggered a fresh buy signal and the asset hasn't yet reached its key resistance level. It could have broken through year earlier but failed. Now, we are seeing another attempt and this one has strong potential. Even if the chart reverses later, we'll already be out of the trade. Another advantage of OTC trading is that it is available on weekends. While traditional markets are closed, Saturday and Sunday, OTC markets keep running. Once practice, you can trade anytime, day or night. The key is having a solid strategy and strict risk management. The rest comes with experience. Whether you trade exchange-listed pairs or OTC instruments, what matters most is how you trade them. Just lock in another profit, guys. Switching charts now. Back with more trade shortly. Entering another long position here. The market is confirming with identical signals. First, bullish Vortex crossover. Red line breaking upward. Second, the SuperTrend is in a growth phase. Just like the overall market. The asset needs to reach the key level, which we are waiting for. Overall, the price is currently in a growth phase up to this level. The asset has started reversing and such a smooth transition always indicates potential for a complete trend shift. Sellers are losing strength. With less selling pressure, buyers are now taking full control. I break down these market details regularly in my Telegram channel. We also share my personal trade signals. So, if you are looking to level up your trading to pro status, check the link in the description. Another profitable trade, guys. Let's do it one more today. I'll set it up on the different charts. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. Alright, I'm going short here. Let me walk you through the setup. Both SuperTrend and Vortex confirm bearish momentum, and the asset is now breaking down through this key uptrend line right here. That's the critical point. You've got a clear trend structure break. Now, the chart needs to reach this level. This is our final trade, guys, with a risk of $2,000. Well, I can afford it because I'm in profit. However, I recommend that beginners avoid risking such large amounts at the start. At minimum, you should maintain capital for 10 to 20 trades, but the professional approach is always to risk only 2 to 3% of your account balance per trade. Trade update, guys. My position isn't developing as expected. I'm preparing for a potential loss exit, but this is a manageable situation. Okay. Adjusting strategy, guys. Increasing risk exposure to $3,000 based on signal conviction. Market conditions remain unchanged and I anticipate full recovery of the drawdown. No analysis of dates currently, so we're patiently waiting for the market to start moving in line with the current signals. Many beginners blame the OTC brokers for price manipulation in situations like this, but usually the issue lies in their own trading mistakes. It's just easier to blame external factors. So my counter question is always, are you consistently profitable with exchange traded quotes either? And the answer is usually no. I mostly trade on exchange traded quotes because I want to dedicate weekends to my family. But when I started, I practiced trading whenever possible, including OTC markets. As you can see, profitability is possible there too with the right approach. Just close another winning trade, guys. $3,000 net profit fully covers the earlier loss. Net gain means my daily target. So let's recap today's key takeaways. Today, I'll show you that OTC trading is no different from trading standard exchange-listed pairs. Your success doesn't depend on asset type, but having good strategy and skills. The trading system demonstrated in this video actually works for long term, so feel free to use it with any financial instruments. To start successfully, you will need a good deposit, and I'm happy to help you boost your first starting amount by 50%. Here's how. Join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Find the pocket option registration code. With it, you can boost your $100 to $150 instantly. As I always encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. This is personally rewarding me and also help me promote my content on YouTube. I look forward to your active participation. See you guys. Happy successful trading. Bye guys.